Hello everyone and welcome to my first video about the Cisco Packet Tracer networking basics, and today I will show you quickly how to obtain, download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. It's gonna be easy, quick, and let's get to it. So open your browser and go to Cisco Packet, click the link, and here you have to create an account, or if you have it like me, just log in. And here in the search bar, you're gonna search for Packet Tracer, and it's gonna search for this course, Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on it and you have to complete the course, the whole course. I already have it, so I'm just gonna go into the module 1 here, install Cisco Packet Tracer, and here in the resources there's a link, this one, and if you click it you will see free installations for Mac, Linux and Windows. I'm on the Windows right now, so I'm just gonna use Windows, and I already have it downloaded, so just gonna skip it. Now, if you download that file, just open it. I'm gonna use my admin password. Okay, here I accept, next. I don't want to create a desktop shortcut. It's way too easier for me to just search for the program, install. And there are no special requirements from Cisco Packet Tracer, so you can basically run it on everything. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna launch it. And here, if you created account on the NetAcad site, you can use it to log in and use this option to keep you logged in for 3 months. So use the same credentials. And that's it. In the Packet Tracer, I'm logged in for 3 months, and then it will ask you to log in again, or if you want, you can use it offline. Just turn off your network card or your Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter. If you use it in the offline mode, it will not ask you to log in. Okay, so that's it. And in the next video, we will start with the basics of networking, and that's it.